Tēnā koutou e mā takitaki mai e pūkana mai ki tēnei kaupapa kiimaimäori, Aoitepö nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai. Te Umuariki tēnei e mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Whānau, welcome back. As I said last week, earlier on in the week, that we will put together a 2-for-1 special to support and consolidate some of the mahi I sent you this week for the 10-week Karakia challenge. Well, whānau, here it is, a 2-for-1 special, as promised. Just for you. Stay close. Go and grab yourself a drink. And we're going to cross over. And we're going to have a look at some mahi rākau. The rākau are te ātarangi, the cuisinier rod, and the rods, and the method of teaching using the ātarangi method. Ka pai whānau. Kia orite. Ka pai whānau. We've got to move along quite quick tonight because we've got a couple of things to cover. But as you can see here, here's the visual component. If we're using the acronym VARC, we've got visual, we got oral, got the whakarongo, we got the written and the reading and that aspect, the tuhi, and then we got the kinesthetic, the hands-on approach. And this is the mahi rākau, where we can do the hands-on approach. When you go to a physical class, you'll use the rākau, and they give you, they're the tools to help you to kōrero, ka pai, and to engage you. So we'll use this picture tonight. This method is actually, the method is developed by the ātarangi whānau, pioneered in the late 70s, or all through the 70s, the same time as putting together the kohanga reo. Some of the people were instrumental in that, and also putting together the ātarangi method. So those are early pioneers, and our whānau and tipuna, Katarina Mataira, and Ngoi Pewhairangi, and all our other kuia kaumātua of that time, who pioneered with all the families around the motu and overseas as well, to put together a method of teaching te ātarangi. When you get a chance, whānau, check it out. I'll get some links and I'll pop it down below for you to check out an ātarangi group in your area. Anyway, whānau, we're going to move along for now, okay? And I think another time we can have a kōrero. We'll have a kōrero about the ātarangi, because that's a whole kaupapa on its own. Mauri ora. Here we go, whānau. So jump in with me down here. Basically, in the turi a te ātarangi, it's whakarongo, titiro, and kōrero. So the titiro, just watch the cursor down here and listen, and then repeat after me. Let's try it out, whānau. Let's try some ātarangi live online here. Let's try it in your own home. Here we go. Ko te pū, te more, te wēu, te aka, te rea. Ka pai whānau. Ko te waonui, te kune, te whē, te kore, te pō. Ki ngā tangata Māori, nā rangi, rāua ko papa, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. Ka pai whānau, aroha mai, we're speeding along a bit. Normally in a class or a one-on-one or in a class concept, you'd be working together and with others, you'd practice that over and over. A class for at least up 45 minutes to an hour or maybe even more. But there's a start, whānau. Ka pai, we're going to go one more time with this, and then we're going to move on. We're going to do it simultaneously together, and I'll give you an explanation. Here we go. Ko te pū, kia rite, kōrero mai. Ko te pū signifies a root, a base, a foundation. Te more signifies a taproot and also cause. Te reo signifies rootlets and fibers and networks. Te aka signifies a vine, giving something a vine of life. Te rea signifies growth. Ko te waunui, kaupai whānau, the primeval forestations of the world. Te kune, pregnancy, conception, and form acquired. Te whē signifies sound, as in the creaking of the branch. Te kore signifies the void, the nothingness, but the unlimited potential. Te pō signifies the darkness and unknown, and so we can say, pō Māori. Ready to go, whānau? Ki ngā tangata Māori, to those of us, and indigenous concepts throughout the world, nā rangi, rāua ko papa, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. To those of us, we derive and dwell between Sky Father and Mother Earth here on the planet Earth. So kia ora whānau, I'm trying to keep it short, that's already going on a bit. Whānau, that's enough for now. Mauri ora kia koutou. Ka pai whānau, welcome back here. We've got a bit of the tuhinga, a bit of the written, a bit of the imagery and the visual in the background. Keep that in your mind's eye, and as you read it now, you're expressing and creating that imagery. So we're going to rock along here, whānau. Karakia number 1, but we've been learning the concept for numbers and placing. So this will be Karakia tuatahi, new beginnings, he timatanga hou. Ka pai? So we'll try that from the top. Karakia tuatahi, toru, wha. Karakia tuatahi, new beginnings, he timatanga hou. Let's go, whānau. Ko te pū, te more, te weu, te aka, te rea. Ko te waunui, te kune, te whē, te kore, te pō. Ki ngā tangata Māori, nā rangi, rāua ko papa, ko tēnei, te timatanga o te ao, ko tēnei, te timatanga o te ao. There you go, whānau. Going to move along. Ka pai koutou. We can come back to this. Hey guys, hey, sorry about it, but we're just going to try and give you a visualize and to put all those into action now and the waiata. So we'll just come together here and we'll just quickly talk through it. Follow with me. And let's just go together. Ko te pū signifies a root, a base, and a foundation. Te more signifies a taproot and also cause. Te weu signifies rootlets and fibers. Te aka, a vine, is in the vine of life. Te rea signifies growth. Ko te waunui, primeval forestations of the world. Te kune, pregnancy, conception, form acquired. Te whē, sound, as in the creaking of the branch. Te kore, the void, the nothingness, but the unlimited potential. Te kore, te pō, the darkness and unknown. Ki ngā tangata Māori, nā rangi, rāua ko papa, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. Sorry, I'm rushing along, whānau, but we're just going to sing it now, and then we've pretty much got it all together. Here we go. Sometimes you can't think of tunes in that. You know, you might think it's a bit out there, but the old man, he said to me once, I couldn't get all these tunes for all his different karakia that he gave me, but one thing he said to me that has always helped me, it might work for you, but he'd say to me, think beautiful. So if it works for you, it works. If it don't, kei te pai. Ko te pū te more, te weu te aka te rea. Ko te wau nui te kune te whete, kore te pō. Ki ngā tangata Māori, nā rangi rawa ko papa. Ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. Ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna, haungia huie, taiki e. Kia ora koutou. Whānau, we've got a minute to wrap this up. We use Te Arapiki tauira here to finish it off. Let's rock it out. Toru, whā. Karakia tuatahi, new beginnings. He timatanga hou, kōrero mai. Ko te pū, te more, te weu, te aka, te rea. Ko te wao nui, te kune, te pē, te kore, te pō. Ki ngā tangata Māori, nā rangi, rāua ko papa, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna, haumia hui e, taiki e. Ka pai whānau, mā te wā.